This is the elevator at the POB library. This is the one that goes down. It used to be an Otis. It received a noble monetization. That's where the old panel used to be. That was there from the work. This is a Noble.
Yeah, I just don't have work this weekend.
It doesn't say anywhere, but I know Noble did this mod. I never took this covering off. And down here is where the meeting rooms are. Send it up so we can hear the motor. This door is pretty slow. Listen to it. When I press the button in a moment, I don't want the chime to ring. There are the stairs. Here's what the new cab looks like. It's got pads. They did put in a handrail. Monitor HPS fixtures. Let's go listen to startup. Full replacement. All they kept was the door frames. Judging by these chimes. Judging by those chimes, see that door needs a bit of help. Judging by those chimes, this is an CubeSmart is a Noble. Brand new mod. This was just finished not that long ago. And look at that. There's an Ethan. And there it goes. And that's it.